If you've ever tried AI video tools, you know the pain. Plastic-looking faces, melting limbs, backgrounds that randomly warp into nightmare fuel. Every single AI video tool I've tested has a breaking point. The moment you push it too hard, it falls apart. So when Pippit dropped its new model, I didn't just try it. I tried to destroy it. 5 impossible tests. 5 ways AI video always fails. And what happened on test number 4, I genuinely wasn't expecting. Pippit AI agent has launched a new model, Dreamina Seedance 2.0, now in early access on Pippit. If you want to follow along and test this yourself, link is in the description. Just go to pippit.ai, click Video Generator, and select Seedance 2.0 as your model. Now stick with me till the end, because after all 5 tests, I'm going to show you the exact prompts I used, so you can copy-paste them and test yourself. Alright, let's break this thing. First test, the one that exposes every AI tool instantly. Human faces up close, intense emotions. The stuff I cannot fake. This new model shows fine details and texture. No more AI plastic look. Big claim. The lava is melting and exploding as reality physics, like this immersive scene, generated results occurring in front of your eyes. And notice the audio. The rumble builds exactly as the eruption grows. That audio-video sync is something Seedance 2.0 specifically nails. Everything feels like a real finished production, but looking natural in a still frame is one thing. What happens when things start moving? This is where AI video dies. Fast movement, complex physics, multiple subjects. The moment things move quickly, limbs melt, backgrounds warp, reality breaks. Pippit's new model, Dreamina Seedance 2.0, claims rock-solid physics. Zero distortion. I watched frame by frame, looking for the glitch, the warp, the melt, nothing. Samurai teleporting, sword trails glowing, dancers spinning, all solid. Okay, so it can handle motion. But what about the movement itself? Can it simulate shots in dynamic angles? Now I'm getting aggressive. Seedance 2.0 claims you can simulate movement control in a milt angle. Push-ins, drone sweeps, tracking shots, all from text. I want a shot that would need helicopters, drones, and a massive budget to actually capture. One prompt, continuous smooth motion, professional result. Quick thing, if you're finding this useful, hit subscribe. I test AI tools, so you don't waste time on ones that don't work. More videos like this coming. Now here's where it gets interesting. Remember I mentioned test 4 at the beginning? This is the one that genuinely surprised me. This is my secret weapon. The test that kills every AI tool. Character consistency across multiple scenes. And it claims narrative intelligence. Understanding storytelling across shots. Let me test this with a short drama sequence. Storytelling and emotion, same characters throughout. I expected it to fail, but the result is very impressive. It didn't. Same face, same clothes, story flows naturally. You could cut this into an actual short film. This is what surprised me. Narrative intelligence actually works. Okay, so it handles creative content. But what about commercial content? The stuff that needs to look absolutely flawless? Final test? The ultimate challenge? Product commercials. The content brands pay 6 figures for because every frame needs to be perfect. I sent these to a friend who works in advertising. His was impressed by the results. Now, is it perfect? No. Very long clips can drift. Complex multi-character scenes might need a second try. It's a tool, not magic. Seedance 2.0 is a genuine leap ahead. Think about what we just did, all from text prompts, in minutes. Now, one person with a keyboard can generate high-quality work. The AI plastic look that ruined everything? Gone. The glitchy motion? Gone. The impossible cost? Gone. If you're worried about AI content getting flagged, I made a whole video on that. Link on screen. Definitely check it out. Alright, I promised you the prompts. All of them are in the description below. Copy-paste ready. Go test them yourself. So start the next era of content creation, only on Pippit. When you make something crazy, tag me and at Pippit Official. I want to see what you create. Now here's the thing. Knowing how to use AI video tools is one thing. But what if your channel gets flagged for AI content? I made a full breakdown on how to stay safe. Video is right here. You need to see it before you start posting. Already watched this far? Might as well subscribe. More AI tool breakdowns coming. Catch you in the next one.